Hello everyone. Welcome to Module 5. Let us now summarize everything that we have learned from Module 1 to 4. First, we understood what is SSO. Let us revise once more. SSO stands for Single Sign-On. It is a technology which combines different application login screens into one. With SSO, a user has to enter their login credentials like username, password one time on a single page to access all their applications. So, how does it work? Whenever a user signs into an SSO service, the service creates an authentication token that remembers that the user is verified. An authentication token is a piece of digital information stored either in the user's browser or within the SSO service's servers, like a temporary ID card issued to the user. Any app the user accesses will check with the SSO service. The SSO service passes the user's authentication token to the app and the user is allowed in. We also understood the single sign-on compact identity process flow. Now, let us take a look on the benefits of single sign-on compact identity. Centralized view of users' accesses and applications. Seamless single sign-on to applications. Can manage multiple application auto-login with single set of credentials. Ensure secure login to application via compact identity by using Web Access Gateway solution. Prevent unauthorized access to CI and target applications by suing MFA. Business can take access decision rather than IT. Increases productivity and reduces IT costs. Users can experience automatic logins every time they move to a different authorized application. What will change post October 1, 2020? BR.NET application will authenticate with Active Directory and allow users to log into application based on AD user ID and password. BR.NET mobile application will be integrated with AD. Post-implementation, users will have to enter AD password instead of BR.NET local password. AD password will be the same used for login into mobile device. User can change the password using AD self-service portal if they forget the password. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today.